I am curious. The Lord said in the gospel, if your right eye causes you to sin, tear it out and throw it away. I ask myself, can you sin with just one eye? Hindi ba when we look, normally we look with both eyes? How can one eye, the right one, sin? What about the left one? Pwede bang magkasala ng isa lang mata? At bakit kanang mata? What's so special with the right eye? And so I Googled. And as usual, Google offers many explanations. Sabi nung isang explanation, the right eye is the one that you used with a certain degree of affection. Pag tinignan mo daw ang isang katangi-tangi sa buhay mo, tinitignan mo siya ng iyong kanang mata. So pag tinignan ka ng kaliwang mata, hindi ka espesyal, no? But looking at it, maybe, this is just my opinion, Jesus used only one eye because for Jesus, sin begins with small ones. Many times. Hindi ba ang pagkakasala, yung mabibigat na kasalanan, nagsisimula lang naman sa mga maliliit na pagkakasalang paulit-ulit na ginagawa? Pagnanakaw, halimbawa, merong mga tao na nagsimulang mangupit. Piso, 5 piso, hanggang sa masanay na kumuha ng hindi kanya, namatay na ang konsensya, kaya okay na rin para sa kanya magnakaw ng 1,000,000. Of course, may mga nagnanakaw ng malaki kaagad, pero karaniwan, no, ang pagnanakaw, ang kasalanan, nagsisimula sa mga maliliit. Maybe that is the reason why Jesus mentioned only one eye, that we can sin with one eye. And therefore, we have to be cautious not to stop the sinning that early. Kung isa pa lang ang nagkakasala, ihinto mo na. Huwag mo nang hayaang kapwa pa magkasala. In other words, first, the gospel is teaching us, kapag maliit pa lang ang apoy, patayin mo na. Huwag mo itong hayaang lumaganap. Small sins will lead to bigger sins. And so, once they're still small, stop it. Second, the gospel reminds us that there is nothing more important than our salvation. Nothing is more important than our soul. Kaya nga, ang sabi ng Panginoon, kung ang isang bahagi ng katawan mo ay nagiging daan sa pagkakasala, putulin mo ito. Of course, the Lord did not mean it literally. Pluck it out, your eye, cut it off. We will end up without eyes, without tongue. No? Iba sa atin, dila ang puputulin kasi mga chismoso at chismosa. No? We will end up mutilated. But that's not the point of Jesus. The point of Jesus is this: nothing is as important as your salvation. Even friendships, even relationships. Yung kung minsan, ang pagkakaibigan ay nagiging dahilan ng pagkakasala, putulin mo yung pagkakaibigang yon. Kung ang relasyon ay nagiging daan ng iyong pagkakasala, putulin mo ang relasyong yon. There is nothing as important as your soul. There is nothing as important as our salvation. Kaya kinakailangan magsakripisyo tayo. Kasi kahit na mahal natin siya, kung bawal ang pagmamahal na iyon, dapat nating sabihing, tama na. Amen.